Hello, teachers. Today, we are going to learn how to look up for business English materials through a third-party resource, off2class.com. To start, after you entered your classroom, go immediately to your toolbox, expand the window, and look for browser. And go to the website www.off2class.com. Once on the page, you can go ahead and click Login. The credentials are provided during the training. So after logging in, you can immediately see four folders. These folders contain all the business English curriculum materials. The first folder is pre-intermediate, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced. Please take note that each folder contains 10 units. Pre-intermediate contains unit 1 to 10, and in every unit, there are 4 lessons. In continuation, intermediate level contains unit 11 to unit 20. Upper intermediate, unit 21 to unit 30. Curriculum advanced contains unit 31 to unit 40. Business English materials are indicated by the acronym BE, that stands for Business English, followed by the letter U, that stands for unit, followed by a number, and then L, that stands for lesson, and then followed by a number. Example, you are looking for the Business English material BE Unit 32, Lesson 3. So since it's Unit 32, you can find it under the Curriculum Advanced. Click the drop-down arrow. Look for Unit 32, Lesson 3, Change Management. Click it. Make sure that you properly input the correct code and then click Launch. I'm just browsing, and then click Close All Open Classroom. Once done, the material shows up. Always remember, after you open the material, make sure to always tick the Share Audio. This will enable the Share Audio feature of your material and will enable your student to hear all the audio recording embedded in every material. Now, take note, there is something on the material that the student should not be seeing. It should be the teacher's note. So it's imperative that we hide this part and we can only let the student see this part. So how do we do it? We can zoom in the material. So if you're using a mouse, you can click anywhere on the material. Afterwards, press Control, and then on your mouse, scroll up to zoom in the material. Once done, the student should only be seeing this part of the material. Now, some of you may ask, is it okay to scroll down every now and then to see the teacher's guide? Well, the answer is no. Remember, teachers, that most of your students for business English lessons are already advanced, meaning they already have the speed to read and the comprehension of the things that they read. So it's not proper for you to scroll down every now and then. So what you can do is you can open an external browser, go to off2class.com, log in the same way as how you logged in on your class in browser. There you go. You can have your teacher's notes. Don't worry, teachers. The only thing your student can see is the browser you opened on class in. So it is safe to open a different browser for your teacher's note. And that's it. I hope you are able to follow the steps. Good luck on your business English lessons.